How to fix run button not showing in Visual Studio Code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your VS Studio application in your PC and open up any folder. Now in here, if your code is not running, then head over to the extension option and search for Code Runner. Once done, click on to enter. Then click on to install for this. Once it has been installed, head back to your code, and just like so, you will see this pause icon that will run your code. Now the second method is you can simply click on this show preview option. That way you will be able to see the running of this code in image format or just in local format. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.